Oh, girls just wanna have fun.
I'm your host, Lorraine. Now, I'm still in my boot, pre-Christmas injury. I'm just going to sit down because it's also so bloody hot in this house. So I've only just been able to now start kind of standing and putting weight on it, but it still really hurts. So that's all for today's episode. Plus, I'm really hungover. So I was like, I'm going to sit for this one, or for most of it. Anyway, that's my really long intro short. It wasn't really short. Today, what we are making, I say this about every recipe, but I'm actually really excited for which sorry, I think I've overused this chair and I've broke some of the balls in the wheel because I keep finding silver little balls everywhere. So it's a bit stiff. God damn, maybe I should just stand. Screw it. All right, let's stand. I think I broke the chair. Anyway, what I was saying was, I saw these the other day when I was in Woolies and I was like, obviously, like, I can't have those. But they're like chicken Kiev balls. And I love a chicken Kiev and I love those, I love any sort of frozen food. Obviously keto, you can't have the butter or the crumb, whatever it's called. What I'm going to be making today is homemade garlic Kiev chicken. I can't even say it. I'm so hungover. Homemade chicken Kiev balls. Oh my God, why can't I just say that normally? Okay, take 3. We're going to be making chicken Kiev balls, keto friendly. Goddamn, why was that so bloody hard? 1 packet of chicken mince into a bowl. I probably should have got gloves. Like a spoon and just mush that up a little bit just so it separates. Then you season it. Again, y'all have seen what I've seasoned with, which is all I ever do season it with. Garlic, onion, pepper, salt, mixed herb. Obviously, because we're making them Kiev balls, which is garlic-y. Yeah, it's like garlic-y. I'm going to be a little bit heavy-handed on the garlic. I'm just going to season this. That is seasoned. Then all I'm going to do is add a little bit of the low-carb crumb just to help give it a little bit of a grit and a little bit of binding situation happening there. I was tempted to add some cheese in it, but then I'm like, you add cheese to everything. You just can't add cheese. I mean, I'm not saying you can't, because I definitely would. But, I mean, if you were wanting to make them cheesy Kiev balls, I would personally add a little bit of Parmesan cheese, but I just sort of fought myself on that one and thought, you can't add cheese to everything, babe. Then you're gonna add an egg. Last night I actually prepared, because it takes me so long to do the simplest of things with this foot situation, prepped my garlic butter. So I melted like basically half a stick of butter, like added like quite a few tablespoons of some minced garlic. Then I popped that back in the fridge so that it could set overnight, and we've got ourselves a perfect little garlic butter ready to go. It's gonna be a giveaway, but I'm sure it's fine. Here is my prepared, I'm just gonna have that knife, it's a bit aggressive, garlic butter from last night. Let's get the crumb ready. Sorry, it's just so hot. I actually thought this was going to be really easy. Prepare your baking tray. Sometimes I actually don't mind just using this so that the egg can come from the bottom and the top and then you don't need to flip them. But I really just can't be bothered with the mess. It's really, really difficult as it is. So I'm using baking paper. So that's ready to go. Then crumbing. Also already done. Oh my God. This is horrible. I think I'm going to have to get the dicky chair back. Yeah, I'm fine. I've got this. What I've done is pre-crushed up some pork crackles from a bag. I just put that in a Ziploc bag, smash that up, and mix that with some low-carb crumb. Get yourself a fork and just mix that around. You know what? That's good enough. I'm ready to go. I think that was all I needed. I'm going to be using this ice cream scoop to scoop up the mix. And I'm trying to think, how should I do this? I didn't really think this part through. Put it in the crumb. Let's figure this out together. Crumb it so that you can pick it up. I mean, again, if I had gloves, different story. Grab, and that's for the butter. Any utensil that you can find to kind of create a little pocket. Probably a better way of doing this, to be honest. Scooping up a bit of the garlic butter. Look, at the end of the day, it's gonna make it, okay? Push that garlic butter down and just kind of roll your ball back up. Look at this. I've absolutely nailed it well so far anyway. Lightly back and forth, do that. So my posture's freaking broken from these few weeks in this boot and wheelchair and everything. Oh, it's just so loose. hunchback of Notre Dame. Pop it on your tray and then repeat. So I'm gonna pause this, finish that mixture, same thing, dip your mince into the crumbing, pick it up, make a little pocket, pop the garlic butter in there, remold. I will be back. Just crumbed those, what have we got, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But I've actually decided while I was crumbing them, I was like, I'm just a bit worried because they don't look really crumbed like thick. So I've decided I'm gonna double crumb them. Gone and got gloves because I feel like this part's gonna be a bit messy because I really wanna make sure they're like a nice hard ball. That sounds really bad. I'm gonna go in with the normal crumb for this one because I really can't be bothered bashing up some more pork crackle, to be perfectly honest with you. Crack my egg, boom, whisk your egg. Let's go this way. So I'm gonna plop, 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 and plop it back. It's a really bad way of saying things. So put it in the egg mixture, cover it with the egg, get it up, drip off the excess egg, put it in the batter, use your hands. That looks so much better already. Sorry, my hair's all in my face, but I can't really do anything about it now. God damn this gloves. So I'm gonna repeat that process because as you can see, I'm just gonna show you. That one in the middle, way better. It's more covered and protected from the garlic butter just oozing out because I don't want to fail on my hands. And again, I haven't noticed, I haven't made this before. Repeat this process, then I will be back. God damn. No wonder I'm hot. Jump around every bloody time. Alright, stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm not gonna lie, I ran out of egg after 5 and I was like, I can't be bothered doing the rest of them. So I've got 2, 4, 5 that are double crumb, but then just to test the theory, I'm gonna put the one that's only got the one coating of crumbing in as well, just to see if it does explode or not. But the other ones I'll put in the freezer saved for a rainy day, which thank God for that. Anyway, time-wise, what I'm thinking is chicken mince usually on a general rule is about 15 to 20 minutes. Start with 15, we'll have a look-see, and then we'll go from there. A little bit pissed off because I thought I had spray oil to spray these, but I don't. So personally, I would spray them with spray oil, though I'm tempted whether or not to just pour oil over them. I mean, I could do that. Look, they've got the double crumbing. Let's see how they go. I'm sure it'll be fine because with the egg. 15 minutes at 180, and I will be back. Okay guys, so the time has just gone off. Look, I did have a little look-see-poo. So I'm looking at the 15-minute mark. There's a little bit of garlic butter, but like I said, I guess I was expected to have it anyway. So far they're looking good. I just really wish I had some oil to just make these goldeny brown, but I should probably just flip them a little. Actually, I'm gonna do them. The butter might make them nice and crunchy. Might do that. Might swivel them around in the butter because I just want to make sure that they're completely cooked. So yeah, I'm just going to roll them in the butter. You don't need to do this part. I would probably just, use spray oil. That would be, that's really hot. Be a way better idea. I'm going to give them another 3 minutes, 15, 16, 17, 18 minutes. And then we will cut one of these up, see how we are looking. That's really hot. And I will be back in 3 minutes. Stay tuned. Has just gone off. Hooray, thank God, I'm so bloody hungry. Oh look, rolling them in the butter, which I know that's essentially not the whole idea of it, definitely works. So 100% need to spray with some spray oil. Look at these little chicken Kiev balls. I'm so happy. But we should probably check to make sure that they're cooked, hence salmonella and all the rest. Now that was the one that wasn't double crumbed, and to be honest, it kind of looks the same as the others from where I'm standing. But in saying that, these are just going to be crunchier, so whatever tickles your fancy, really. Let's try one of the double crumbs because the whole point of that was just to see if it would explode, and it hasn't. So in fact, the other ones seem like they've exploded more. Maybe you shouldn't double crumb them. Let's test one just to make sure it's actually properly cooked. Oh my! It's moments like these. Look at this. I don't know how to show you. Hang on. Show you this. Look at this. Perfect little chicken Kiev. I'm so happy. Yeah, definitely the spray oil, I reckon. But the butter's made that super crunchy. Oh, imagine if this isn't even cooked long. Straight down the middle. Oh, I wish I could show you this right now. The garlic butter has just oozed out. I think that's cooked. 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 I think that's cooked I don't know. God damn. I'm just gonna show ya. Obviously the garlic butter was in there and it's just come out as it's meant to if you had it on a plate and you're just about to eat it. But what do you reckon? I don't know if that's cooked or not. You can't see. It's killing my soul. Someone said you do this, but that's not really working either. God damn. I don't know how to do this. Where's the bloody camera? Anyway. Oh shit. I reckon it's cooked. I think it's cooked. I'm gonna try it anyway. Hello, salmonella. It's really hot. Look at all the steam coming out. I've got my posture. Ooh. Let's just give that a second. The other ones are in the freezer. That's what I was thinking before. I was like, how long would I cook those if when I choose to defrost them? What I choose. What I'm thinking is when you defrost the frozen ones, because that was 18 minutes in total at 180. So I think if you're gonna have the frozen ones and you're putting them straight in frozen, maybe like 25 minutes. But again, I actually don't know. And I'm not like a chef, technically. You know, I tried. So I don't actually know about that one. I'll let you guys tell me. That was just a chat to try and let this cool down a little bit so I don't burn my mouth. Oh, I really don't want salmonella. I'm sure it's fine. I'm really scared. I'm looking at it and I'm like, I think it's fine. Let's just do it anyway. I will let you know if I get salmonella. Cheers. Oh, that's so yum. That's so hot. I'm joking. One day I will be able to test this food for you without choking or burning my mouth. They are amazing. Literally like a chicken Kiev ball. Yum. The only way I would probably better it is by maybe putting like cheese in there. That's what I do to everything. So you choose if you want cheesy Kiev balls or not. They're definitely cooked. 100% cooked. So 18 minutes, 180, you're good to go. Frozen ones, not too sure. I was this damn close. Okay. Please make sure to subscribe, like, press the bell. I've got to stop doing this when I do. I don't know what that is. If you have any recommendations or requests, please let me know in the comments below. Wow, I really nailed that one. Why did you just do that the first time? I'm still trying for someone to give me a bloody challenge, please. Otherwise, I will see you in the next episode of Little Red's Kitchen. Yum.